So hello everybody. Here I am now doing this video for a class of mobile forensics, and here I'll try to help and guide you to use a very powerful tool for recovering mobile data, such as the contact list, the SMS history, MMS, all the all the attachments, all the applications that are running to the phone and everything. I'm gonna use for that an iPhone 5. And first of all, I I make sure I have all drivers for that installed in my computer. And here it goes. Uh, the software we're gonna use, I'm gonna teach you, is the Oxygen Forensic Suite 2013, which has been made freeware. So this is an advantage we can take. So to get this app, this software, you go to www.oxygenforensic.com. This will get us in this page. So we'll go here to download, and then here to download again the first link. Then we type your email and your other information, and you agree with the license agreement, and you type the captcha and apply. After you do that, you're gonna receive an email containing this first email, containing registration details, registration code, link for a customer's area, and a discount that they're gonna give us. So here you can download the software. You see they're asking for a sale ID, so we go back to the email, and you see here sale ID. So you type this there, and then we can download it. Then you hit download here and get the latest key code and get the driver pack, which I said we're gonna need for running any device in the computer. So we get the definition update too. After that, after we install everything, you go here and we get this. This attachment is what makes this freeware for us. So first of all, once you run it, they're gonna ask for a registration code, which is gonna be this. Then you're good to go. But now, back to the save this attachment. I'm gonna save here in my desktop. And this I must copy and paste, I don't want to lose it, into the software directory. So I go here and look for program files. Files. No, it's not here. This one. Yes, there we go. Program files x86 here, and here see the same. So you're gonna hit paste here, and you're gonna replace with this. I'm gonna ask for permission, and there we go. And now we run it. You see, all this I'm saying is all explained perfectly in the email. So you see here, everything's explained here. I'm not doing anything different or very difficult. So now we're gonna run the oxygen forensic suit. It's loading everything. See, it's already registered to me. And for now, go here. Put this very code that is here. Copy. Paste it here. Save. I'm good to go with this. So, see here. Here are some detections, some connections that I have already made with this software. It saves the logs of everything I ever looked into through the software. So now I'm gonna show how it works live in real world. So we plug it in and hit connect new device. You can choose whatever. I'm gonna choose auto device connection. You see, it detects already the model, the IMEI number, the iOS version, and the bootloader of the iPhone. So I hit next. And here, for a forensics matter, I can type the case number, which can be, I don't know, case 500. Evidence number, which is gonna identify the device and the evidence, the device is an evidence. The name of whoever is inspecting this, whoever is doing this forensics thing. I can type the owner name. I can type the mobile number from the owner. I can type the owner email, so I can have all the information from the forensics analyst for the case and the evidence, and I can have all the information from the owner. All of these, the information from the owner and the information from the forensic analyst, are taken for the matter of doing a report after we get all the info, all the data we must extract from the device. So here we can put a password if the device is protected. Here we choose what we're gonna look for in this particular device. I'm gonna choose everything here. I'm gonna let it as default. And now I hit next. Now it's just reviewing all we've done. Like we can hit back and change whatever. So now we go further. Extract. Just making sure for using an iPhone, we must have installed the iTunes and all the drivers. If it was a Samsung Galaxy, we should have the proper drivers installed as well. And in the website, as I showed you, we can have a driver pack, so we can run the software smoothly. So it's now reading the the phone and all these files is gonna take a while. So there's something you see here. We can buy a kit for recovering a passcode, but once this backup here is something I have done and I already know the password, I'm gonna apply it. He's gonna need it because it's gonna access backup files. So now iTunes backup goes. So it's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna jump for the part of the video where it's already done. So the standard version that you just installed with that license allows us to get the device information, which can give us all the messages received, all the contacts, all the message sent, all the sent failed, all this information right here. We can get the device case attributes, which we just put in the beginning. It can give us the iTunes display name, which is Marina's phone because it's my friend's phone. The time zone used to backup with iTunes, everything that's backed in iTunes. The passcode which was used, and all the technical information about the device. Here in message, you can see all the messages that have been traded through this device. So you have things here since last year, since 2012. So all the messages traded through this device are here with pictures of the senders and receivers. And here, when it says sent, is that this device sent to this contact, which has this number at this time. The device time, which is the time that was registered, was set up in the device, and the UTC time, that is the universal time, that is referred to Greenwich. So I have many messages here. Here we can set to see only the sent, the SMS received message, so all here are received. We can put to the sent message, or we can choose the MMS sent. When we get the MMS sent, we can have the text and attachments. It says here that the delivery failed, so this hadn't gone through. Let's see the attachment. It has two images which we can access here. All these messages we can export to a PDF file. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna save phone messages in my documents, export files. Let's wait. That I have already saved to save time. It's gonna be like this. SMS. It's gonna appear like this with all the information about the device, with all the required details, and all the message sent. So now we don't need the cell phone anymore, we don't need the software anymore. We have a PDF file which we can exchange with anybody, we can send, we can publish, we can get to further analysis, we can do whatever. Going back here, the other thing you can see is the organizer, which has notes and calendar. Here we can see all the notes that has ever been done in this device. So if you double click here, it's gonna appear. It's not editable, it's just for reading purposes. All the notes that are currently here. The other thing you can see is the calendar. So I go here and we see all the calendar events with the text explaining what event is, whatever the user typed, and I can see everything right here. And same way we can extract it to a PDF file and make it accessible to anybody. So, and we go here to phone book. Here in phone book we have all the phone book information exactly as it is in the iPhone, with pictures, with email, with the telephone number. If you go here, like it says it's synchronized with Facebook, and here on the left side I can have all the information about each file, each contact in this case. Here we have the event log, which is a log of all the events this phone has gone through, all the calls. So here it says if it's outgoing or incoming calls, from where or to where, and the number, the duration of the call, and the country code. We can filter just answered calls, or just missed calls, or just dialed calls, or even FaceTime. As in the other things, we can export to a file and have the file browser, which is a feature iPhone doesn't have, iOS doesn't offer. We can just browse some pictures and music through iTunes, but with this software here, we're able to go to the iPhone root and see all the files that are in it, and all the files, all the pictures, all the videos that the user has put in it, and choose. We can browse the whole iPhone. You can change here the types, what we want to see. So we have the lists here. In these folders, you can go to photos, enter the playlists, enter the geo files, and then this here I am. You can You can save it. We can export residential file. Again, all the information can be set to a file. And show properties. I have access to everything. We can open it, we can save in the computer, we can open in the computer with another software. We can do anything here through this. You can see all the info through Safari browser, all the thumbnails, lists, videos, all the audio, all the images, all the folders inside of it. So one last thing that we can do is export the whole device like this. Save to origin. It's gonna save the whole device, all of its state, all of its information is gonna be saved here. And I've already done it. It's gonna save in something like this, which has the extension OFB, that stands for Oxygen Forensic Backup. And through this we can access everything in this phone without having the actual phone anymore. I don't need to have it attached to the computer anymore. I just run the file that was gonna open this software again, and it's gonna show all the info that we just saw. Well, this is it. I hope this helps, and have fun with forensics or whatever investigation you can do with this. Bye bye.